Did you know that nearly 60% of people have less than $1,000 in savings? That's not just a number, it's a warning sign. Think about it, one unexpected bill and you're in debt. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But the good news is, you can change that. In this video, we'll show you exactly how.
We all know how easy it is to get caught up in the latest shopping trends and overspend, but being financially aware is more important than ever. With the constant temptation to buy, it's hard to stay on track, but I'm here to help you learn how to save more and spend less. Welcome to the channel where we simplify smart money habits. If you've ever felt like saving money is impossible or your bank balance always dips before the month ends, this video is for you. Stick around to the end for a proven savings plan that works even if your income is small. Why most people fail to save. 2.5 men. Lack of awareness. Most people don't know where their money goes. Subscriptions, eating out, impulse buys, it all adds up. If you don't track your spending, saving feels impossible. Try this. Print out your last 30 days of bank statements and highlight non-essential spending. You'll be surprised. Lifestyle creep. When income increases, spending increases too. That's why even higher earners sometimes live paycheck to paycheck. Promotions or bonuses shouldn't lead to more spending. They should be your opportunity to save more. No clear savings goal. Saying I want to save money is vague. You need a goal that's clear and time-bound. Example: save $500 for emergencies in 3 months by setting aside $42 every week. That's realistic and trackable. Saving isn't punishment, it's protection. It gives you options and peace of mind. Flip the script. Instead of I can't spend, say I choose to save. This mindset shift changes everything. Use the concept of pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills or buy anything, transfer a fixed amount to your savings. Think of it as your future rent. Celebrate small wins. Saving $50 a month might not sound like a lot, but in a year, that's $600. Add compounding interest and it starts to grow faster. Build identity. Say, I am someone who saves instead of I'm trying to save. Your identity drives behavior.
Auto transfer. Automate your savings by setting up a recurring transfer from your checking to your savings account. Even small, consistent amounts matter. Micro goals. Start with micro challenges. Week 1, save $1 a day. Week 2, try a no-spend day. Week 3, save all your loose change or cash back from purchases. These build your habit muscle. Track every rupee or dollar. For 1 week, track every single expense. Yes, even the 10 rupee tea or $2 coffee. You'll instantly spot wasteful habits. Use visual motivation, create a tracker on your wall, or use a savings app that shows progress in fun ways, like filling up a digital jar or coloring a gold chart. Gamify the process. Turn saving into a game. Compete with yourself to beat last month's savings. Or join a savings challenge with friends. In conclusion, saving money is all about being intentional with your finances. By following these simple tips and strategies, you can take control of your spending and start building wealth. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. If this video gave you even one useful idea, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're just getting started with practical, real-world finance content that works for you. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with saving money? Coming up next, we'll guide you through building your emergency fund, even if your income is limited. Don't miss it. Your financial safety net starts there.